Have you ever wondered why millions of tons of waste are produced every year, but most of it never recorded? In Indonesia, over 11.3 million of tons of waste stay unmanaged. Inspired by the GAHARYA tree, which creates value through a long process, we built GAHARYA. It stands for GAHARYA and KUR, representing a meaningful transformation. I'm Dea Pratista.
And I'm Madeka Laptariana from Politeknik Negeri Bali.
Today we present GAHARYA, Green Accounting System for Environmental Reporting and Analysis.
On our poster, the background highlights a striking contrast. While MSMEs are the backbone of Indonesian economy, they contribute 61% of our national GDP and provide jobs for 97% of our workforce. However, they are also facing a critical sustainability challenge. Let us look at the facts. Every year, Indonesia produces millions of tons of waste, yet 11.3 million tons or 35.67% of our national waste are still unmanaged. One of the main reasons is that 87% of MSMEs still lack the technical guidance needed to go green. This creates what we call an accounting void. Millions of tons of waste remain invisible because they are neither recorded nor valued in financial reports.
We are also running out of time. We are racing against the 2027 deadline when new sustainability rules, PSPK 1 and 2 become mandatory. If our business don't have verified data by then, they will hit a capital barrier. They won't be able to get KUR or green loan because bank will demand proof, not just a green claim. The data show that the gap is not because they don't want to change, it's because they don't have a system that actually works.
And that is exactly what GAHARYA is here to provide. Our mission starts by empowering MSME to finally apply green accounting, where waste is no longer ignored but recorded accurately, either as an asset if it holds economic value or as an environmental spend if it does not. This journey also serves to transform vocational accounting students into green bookkeepers, giving them the invaluable opportunity to gain real-world experience by working directly with MSME in the field. By doing so, we bridge the technical gap and help these businesses secure their future through access to green financing, as verified reports become the key to unlocking Green KUR and green loans. Ultimately, GAHARYA aims to build a comprehensive national sustainability database, ensuring that MSME environmental data directly supports Indonesia NDC targets and the ambitious Net Zero 2060 goal. Now that we know what we want to achieve, let's talk about how we do it. This is our method. GAHARYA works through 4 steps. Step 1, identification. Students visit MSME, take photo of the waste, and then record the data. Then they classify each waste item. Is it an asset or an environmental expense? Step 2, formulation. Based on the data, students build the green accounting journal for each type of the waste and creates a stable business model for the MSME. Step 3, advancing. Students go directly to the field as a green bookkeeper. They guide MSME on how to record their waste and apply green accounting in their daily operation. Step 4, strengthening. Programs that are replicated on other areas. Recommendations are also submitted to local government to support wider policy change. From the field to the report to the policy, every step is connected. Now, let's go deeper into the concept behind GAHARYA. How should you think about waste and turn it into something meaningful? The core concept is simple. Before any waste can be reported, it must be classified first. We view waste through 2 distinct lenses. The first is waste to asset, where we identify waste that still has market value and can generate economic benefit. This allows it to be recorded as an inventory asset directly in the financial report. However, when waste does not have economic value, it transitions into environmental expense. This includes prevention costs spent to stop damage before it starts, and operational costs used for consistent monitoring. We also include internal failure costs, which are the expense of fixing environmental issues within the business, and external failure costs, which cover the impact on the environment and the community outside the business. Our innovation, the GAHARYA ESG framework, works like a strong building supported by 3 main pillars. First, for the environmental pillars, we focus on tracking assets and expense related to the environment. We use smart technology to monitor everything in real time, helping us stay on track with our goal to reach net zero. Second, for the social pillar, we support small business through green monitoring and training. We teach them how to keep green record and help them get easier access to eco-friendly loans like a Green KUR. Finally, for the government's pillar, we make sure all information is safe and clear. We use digital report and secure technology like blockchain so that everything can be checked easily. This ensures that every green claim is backed by professional, trusted data.
However, a system like this cannot work on its own. It depends on collaboration through what we call the Green Strategy Quadrant, where 4 key stakeholders work together in one ecosystem. The process begins with green MSMEs. They record their risk data and adopt green practices to build a green profile, improving their credibility and access to bank financing. To support this process, green bookkeepers who are vocational accounting students help MSMEs collect and record risk data while determining whether the waste should be recognized as an asset or environmental expense before it is verified. The reports are then reviewed and digitally verified by green professional or public accountants, making the information trustworthy for banks and investors. And finally, the verified data support green policy, enabling the government to develop better environmental policies and monitor progress toward Indonesian net zero emission 2060 target. So this collaboration is what makes GAHARYA more than just an application. It's a complete ecosystem that connects businesses, educational institutions, public accountants, and the government to support sustainable development. So, what's the solution? Our solution is GAHARYA, an integrated green accounting ecosystem powered by artificial intelligence, IoT, MVC, and blockchain. It helps MSMEs transform waste into trusted sustainability data while enabling access to green core financing. The journey begins with the Green Dashboard, where MSMEs owner can instantly monitor waste classification, environmental costs, and ESG performance in one integrated view. This allows them to better understand their business performance and make informed decisions. Next is the Green Hub, an AI-powered assistant that provides personalized guidance on waste management, green business practices, and sustainability reporting. This makes the transition towards sustainable business practices much easier. The core process takes place in Green KUR. By combining AI and IoT, the system automatically identifies, records, and classifies waste as either an inventory asset or an environmental expense. The data is then validated by our green bookkeepers, who are vocational accounting students, before moving to the reporting stage. Once the data has been validated, the system automatically generates green reports, including profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. These reports are then verified by public accountants using MVC technology, making them credible and reliable. Next is the Green Seal. Green Seal protects every verified report using blockchain technology, ensuring the data remains permanent, transparent, and tamper-proof. And finally, through Green KUR, MSMEs can use their verified reports, blockchain security records, and supporting certification document to apply for financing through partner banks. And this is give them greater credibility and increase their opportunities to obtain green core financing. So, in the conclusion, GAHARYA is more than just a waste management application. It's a complete ecosystem that connects MSMEs, vocational accounting students, public accountants, and the government into one integrated platform. By transforming waste into measurable, auditable, and trusted data, GAHARYA helps MSMEs strengthen their business credibility, gain access to green core financing, and contribute to Indonesian net zero emission 2060.
To GAHARYA, we believe sustainability is not only about protecting the environment, but also about creating transparency, trust, and future opportunities for MSMEs. By transforming environmental data into auditable green reports, GAHARYA helps MSMEs become more sustainable, more financially accessible, and more prepared for the future. Because every environmental impact deserves to be recorded, valued, and transformed into meaningful progress. So, together with GAHARYA, we are not only building a better reporting system, but we are building a greener future for Indonesia.